Hi guys, okay, so today I'm going to be doing a refresher on my hair. I just recently took out my crochet hair. If you see my last video, I actually demonstrated on how I take out my crochet hair as well as detangle it. So now I really need to cleanse my scalp and my strands from all of the buildup product. I mean, I did technically wash my hair after I took out my crochet hair, but I didn't actually detoxify my hair. So I wanted to try out the Bentonite clay mask on my hair for the very first time and just see what's the hype of this clay mask. I heard that it detoxifies the hair really good. It also helps balances out the pH of your hair and kind of like help define those curls, which is something that us just need. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all how I mix my Bentonite clay mask for my hair for the first time, and I will come back and show y'all how I'm going to apply it.
So let's talk about the ingredients and benefits of each of these ingredients. First, you will need a non-metal bowl, Aztec clay mask, which I purchased this one from Vitamin Shop for $7, apple cider vinegar with the mother, water if needed, oil of your choice, also if needed, and a non-metal spoon. So I'm going to pour a good amount of the Aztec clay mask into the bowl, which depends on your hair size. The benefits of Aztec clay mask: it promotes natural hair growth as it cleanses the hair and removes dead skin cells. It strengthens the hair and promotes natural growth, and it also contains the essential minerals required. It cleanses and clarifies hair as it removes all toxins and metals from the hair. Then I'm going to add apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has an antifungal, antibacterial properties which help combat scalp infections, dryness, itchiness, and dandruff. Apple cider vinegar retains and balances the pH level of the scalp and leaves your hair soft, shiny, and smooth. If you notice, adding apple cider vinegar to the Aztec clay mask causes it to fizz like a science experiment. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of water only because I was low on apple cider vinegar and I need to use apple cider vinegar on something else. Water is definitely optional. Lastly, I added a dropper of avocado oil and mix everything to a nice smooth consistency. The benefits of avocado oil is to help moisten and strengthen hair by penetrating the hair shaft and moisturize your hair. Avocado oil has UV protection and have vitamin E to help heal damage. Other benefits includes growth, prevents dryness, and reduce dandruff. Next, I'm going to divide my hair into sections to start applying the mask. I take each individual section and make it into smaller sections when applying this hair mask. One thing I immediately noticed is the definition of my curls once I applied this Aztec clay mask. My curls was definitely popping and I was so surprised. So I'm going to work this clay mask into each section until I'm done. So this is what my hair looks like with all the mask applied. My curls are super defined and have so much body. It's just ridiculous. I never really expected this to work on my hair like this, but I'm so glad to see these results. I'm going to leave the mask on for about 30 minutes or until it gets hard, and then I'm going to rinse it out. So this is the final results of my clay mask treatment. My hair is defined, my curls is springy, and my hair feels so soft. I feel like the clay mask